Welcome my friend. So you're browsing YouTube and you find yourself into wicked side of the wet shaving. You're probably using this and asking yourself what could I do to transition safely to safety razors. While I lather myself, sit back and watch how I unbox this Pearl Slick razor. Have a close-up of it and we will return to the shave so you can see how it works in action. One of the best recommendations for the people who are transitioning to wet shaving and possibly coming to wet shaving world from the cartridge razors is the Pearl Slick razor. This version is with the stand. It's made in a brass frame with casted top cap, but as you can see the finishing and the coating is very nice, very well polished. Not shiny, not quite matte, but still slick enough for the usage and still not overly aggressive when it comes to look. If you don't like shiny blingy stuff, then this could fit your purposes. Mechanics wise, it feels like a regular big disposable blade, two-piece razor. Top cap, bottom part, securing with the magnet. So when it comes to loading, you can use pre-cut blade halves, or you can snap your own blade. You just align the razor blade onto these corner rings. Place the top cap, hold it just lightly, it will self-center, and the exposure is wonderful. Pretty nice razor. On the Wicked-Whiskers scale, we will try to measure it from top to bottom. Little bit under 10 centimeters. In this package you have one razor stand and plenty of blade halves. Easy to fit, not too loose, and again very elegant, very nimble little razor. Very nice detailing, great finishing, no milling marks, simply just looking perfect from all sides. Alright, so why this razor is such a good transition point from cartridge razors? Because first of all it has the very same footprint on the skin. So if you never liked the traditional safety razors because you liked the rectangular feel on the skin and that sensation that the razor cannot dig too much into it, you will most probably like this razor because it has the very same shave dynamics. Although it is much more efficient, it uses traditional DE blades. You can get them pre-snapped or you can snap them in half yourself, but definitely much less clogging. You can see how much of the stubble I have here. It's also quite easier to rinse off, and it features a single blade which will definitely reduce the amount of pulling and tugging compared with the multi-blade razors. And if you might noticed, it actually shaves quite faster as well. Now, my background story starts with traditional razors with two-sided double-edged blade, but nevertheless this razor really feels so intuitive for the first user. And is also very comfortable if you just decide to go against the grain on the same pass. So definitely the same level of comfort as with disposable blades. Besides, you have this nice brass razor which will probably last you a lifetime. And as you can see, it is also very safe to use. Easy peasy shave for 15 bucks, perfectly good razor. It will cost you as much as 2 months supply of this disposable garbage. But when it comes to results, it is much more efficient. You have less passes on your skin. And even if you use alcohol-based aftershave, like this Croatian roll-on, I will just splash it a little bit to see the damage. And it would feel like a splash of plain water. So nice squeaky clean shave. You can use whatever blade you want. I haven't rinsed this off, but as you can see, you will never have clogged hair that is being pulled across the skin and feel that itchiness and, you know, that scruffy feel. So perfectly good shaves for one or couple of days of beard growth. Very comfortable, no nicks, very minimal left over, just so that I do not want to repeat anything. A reasonable price for a beginner or just somebody who is curious. Definitely recommendation. For more razor recommendations, stay tuned to Wicked-Whiskers and I will display you a little bit more. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.